Hello, nurses and friends. Today, I'll be discussing the application steps, step by step to you, okay? So, meron tayong 5 steps. So, watch until the end para malaman mo lahat ng steps sa application process mo. So, step 1 is yung titingnan mo, na-post ko na yan, ano yung mga requirements, ano yung mga hiring natin ngayon. Ngayon, we are still on the March 2026 hiring. So, please watch mo muna yung mga hiring for PHRN and USRN para alam mo kung qualified ka ba. Kasi mas magandang mag-apply kung qualified ka. Kasi kung hindi, you will just be wasting your time. Sayang naman. So first is that one, and then pag qualified ka, nasa step 1 pa rin tayo, is for you to fill out the referral form. Once you fill out the referral form, let me know so that I can guide you on the next steps. So ano yun na yung mga next steps after you fill out the referral form. So second is, dito na magsisimula yung application mo. Okay? So i-refer kita and then I will send you a complete detail, step by step, kung ano lahat ng gagawin mo after step 1. Okay? So step 2 tayo is, you will be joining the virtual hub. Tomorrow or on our next video, i-discuss natin kung ano ang meron sa virtual hub. Or i-comment nyo dyan, ano bang meron sa virtual hub para gawan natin ng next video yan. Okay? So you will be joining the virtual hub, that's the screening. And then after the screening is, step 3 is yung mga assessment. So pag-uusapan din natin, gagawin din natin yan ng ano lahat ang meron sa assessments. Okay? And then after the assessments, dun pa lang po ang interview, step 4. Okay? So step 4 would be the interviews. And then step 5, kung pasado ka na, then that's the signing of contract, job offer. So every step na kinukomplete mo, pag pasado ka, mag-move on ka sa next step. Pag hindi ka pasado, sad to say, tapos na. Hindi na siya mag-move on to the next step. Okay? So 5 step yan.